Project 2025, How It Harms Illinois Families. Project 2025 is designed to dismantle America's system of checks and balances and replace it with a far-right agenda that concentrates power in the hands of politicians, judges, and corporations, at the expense of ordinary people. For Illinois residents, the consequences would be severe. Taxes shifts the tax burden away from the wealthy and onto the middle class. A typical Illinois family of four would face a $3,169 annual tax increase, while the nation's wealthiest households, those earning over $10 million, would each receive an average $1.5 million tax cut. Social Security proposes raising the retirement age from 67 to 69, affecting 74% of Illinois residents, 9.2 million people. Cuts benefits by $4,100 to $8,900 per year, depending on when retirees claim Social Security. Over 10 years, a median wage retiree would lose $46,000 to $100,000 in benefits. Healthcare imposes lifetime limits on Medicaid coverage, putting 163,000 Illinois enrollees at risk of losing health insurance. Eliminates Medicare's out-of-pocket prescription drug caps, raising costs for nearly 598,000 Illinoisans. Blocks the government from negotiating lower drug prices. Reproductive rights ends guaranteed access to free emergency contraception for 1.85 million women in Illinois. Seeks to misuse the Comstock Act to effectively ban medication abortion nationwide, even in states where abortion remains legal. Directs the Department of Justice to prosecute doctors and local officials who refuse to enforce abortion bans. Child care eliminates Head Start, stripping no-cost early learning and child care from 26,856 low-income Illinois children. Reduces child care access in rural and underserved areas. Student loans. Replaces income-driven repayment with a single rigid plan, raising annual costs by $2,700 to $4,100 for 244,700 Illinois borrowers enrolled in the current SAVE plan. Public education abolishes the U.S. Department of Education, including Title I funding that supports schools serving low-income students. Cuts 6,979 teaching positions, impacting 95,610 students across Illinois. Backhand index pointing right. In short, Project 2025 would raise taxes, cut Social Security and healthcare, undermine reproductive rights, and slash investments in education and childcare, hurting millions of Illinois families.